Alright, here it is. 96 F-250 7.3 Powerstroke. This was my dad's old truck. It's seen better days. It has rust on just about everything. So we're going to give it a little bit of a hillbilly restoration. Truck has 180,000 miles on it. Engine, transmission, both are in really good shape. But as you can see, the rest of it is pretty rusty. So I live in Wisconsin, and living in the Rust Belt, the salty roads in the winter doesn't do cars and trucks very well. But here is our donor cab. This is a cab from Texas, rust free, not a speck on it. I don't know if you can see that. So this is going to be going on the truck. We're going to be sanding down the frame and then painting it with Pour 15 or some kind of rust converter. I don't know if we're going to replace the leafs or not. We'll put new leaf hangers. Both the gas tanks we got to clean up. The diff we got to clean up. Here it is in its old original state, minus the bed. We did take the bed off already, but the next month here we're going to start tearing it apart and rebuilding it. So we might as well give her a quick start while we're at it. I noticed too, after sitting a little bit, it doesn't start as well as it used to, and it almost had a little bit of a miss there, it sounded like. So that's why you don't want to let your vehicles just sit around. So stay tuned and look for the next video on the 7.3 restoration. Hope you guys enjoy.